Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. We know very well that today we've been so vocal with the call to responsibility and accountability. Mula sa mga pinakabata sa ating lipunan na nakakarinig ng mga nangyayari sa atin at hanggang sa mga tao na naglilingkod din ay halos pare-parehas ang sigaw para sa pananagutan at responsibilidad. But today, my dear brothers and sisters, let us dig deep. Let us see that the call to responsibility and accountability is not only from a human voice nor a human requirement, but an invitation of God. Hindi lamang tinig ng tao o sigaw ng tao ang mga bagay na ito, kundi ito ay tawag ng Diyos para sa atin. Today, Jesus gave us this parable of this responsible servant and this dishonest servant. That knowing that his master is not yet coming, then he was there giving the food allowance in the proper time, being blessed with responsibility, being commended for doing his job even he is out of his sight. Panahon pa lamang ni Jesus, imbitasyon na ang mabuhay ng may pananagutan at responsibilidad. Hindi lamang ito tawag ng sambayanan o ng tao, kundi imbitasyon na ito ni Jesus noon pa lamang. And if such is an invitation from God or a call from God, then responsibility and accountability is not something something that one does draggingly. Hindi binabasta-basta, hindi kinakalimutan, kundi buhay na buhay sa kanyang pag-iisip. Dahil nga po sabi nga natin, ang mabuhay ng may pananagutan at responsibilidad ay hindi lamang sigaw ng tao, kundi tawag ng Diyos. Something that is at the back of our minds every day. It is not only to become someone in position to do such, but our everyday mission, our everyday responsibility is God's invitation for us to be responsible and accountable. And if we are to think that we are just alone along the way, let us recourse how our first reading would remind us that we are freed from sin, but now we are called to righteousness. That we are living a life of grace. That is why we can heed to that invitation of God to be responsible and to be accountable. And the knowing that we have such help from above every day, we know that we can embrace such calling, not only coming from people, but from the mouth of God. Ito po sana ang isang bagay na mabuhay at manuot sa ating mga puso bilang tao. Na tinig ng Diyos ang tumatawag sa atin para managutan at para maging responsable. It is something that we need to embrace so that we can proudly face God at the end of our lives. We ask the help of St. John Paul II, whose feast day we celebrated today. He who lived a life of responsibility and accountability as a shepherd of this church, that He may help us live and face our responsibility, not only coming from the voice of people, but as a mandate of God, doing it from the heart, and doing it all for the service of others.